Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can easily create this distance blur on CapCut PC. It is super simple actually. You're going to just copy and paste your videos, and you're going to go to effects and go to lens and try to find the blur effect and add it on top of the video, and you can adjust the blur here. Select the video and the effect, but just these two, right click and then select create compound clip. And then here you're going to add a keyframe at the beginning and kind of like in the middle. So you're going to want to put both of the opacity to 0. And then kind of at the end where it gets like further from the camera, you're going to put the opacity up to 100. So it looks like as further he goes, it gets blurry. I hope you understand what I mean. But like here's what I mean, is like from focus to blurry. But if you want, you can try the halo blur one for like a better like blur, but I don't know, it's up to you. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!